Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is my newest, I guess it's a custom, not really, but oh, I just love her. I just opened these on Friday. Well, I opened them, Thursday, and then we put the video up on Friday. I got two of these cute little Blythe dolls. They're the Alley Blythes. I just love her. The full set of teeth and oh, the articulation in these dolls. They're just as cute as they can be. I did not do a facial. She was so cute, I didn't need to. I did give her a name. Y'all going to get a kick out of this. A while back, I was going to get a Betty Boop Blythe, and they sent me the wrong doll, and it never got corrected. So we did get our money back, though. I named this girl, can you see her beads? Brenda Boop. She's Betty's cousin. And I gave her new eyes, and we put in, when I say we, that means Darren drilled it and everything for me. Actually, you put her together because you had to do...
Yeah, I had to modify the neck joint to make it work with her teeth.
Are you going to insert that here?
Sure, I'll show you that.
Okay. Yeah, he made a whole new neck joint because her teeth, that's a plate. You'll see it in the video. There's a screw here and a screw here. And yeah, we went to get the neck joint and it just didn't work.
So Marna asked me to put a head or a neck joint on a toothy Blythe head, but the inside cavity is different. There's a screw that protrudes in the middle of what is normally the cavity, and yeah, that doesn't fit because it hits the screw. And what I did was, what we're going to try here is just drilled a hole in the front. I got a little offset, but it looks like it should still work. If not, I'll just drill it again.
I gave her beads. I made her little outfit. It wasn't exactly what I had in mind, but I wanted her to be kind of like Betty Boop, not right on it. She's Brenda, not Betty. So I did her eyes red, her eye lids red, and I gave her, of course, I always put the rainbow in. I really like those. I just put them in. Gave her some blue eyes, which I think are adorable. Gave her some green eyes that are my favorite. And then you saw the brown. I like them all. I really do. Tell me in the comments, which eyes would you leave her on? I will show you again. There are and the rainbow, the way these dolls' eyes were set is kind of an upward side glance, if you can see that. Really cute. And then the blue, which I love that blue. And then the green. So this is my little Brenda Boop, and their cute little hair. And the funny thing was, when I got her all together, I told Darren, I said, you know, her story is going to be that she's Betty Boop's cousin with a Mae West twist. She's like, come up and see me sometime. And in my comments, when I unboxed these, Joni from Joni's Doll Photography said, oh, she looks like Marilyn Monroe. And Marilyn Monroe based her character off of Mae West. I said, funny you said that. Oh, I forgot her earrings. I want to give her some little ruby earrings to match her beads. So we'll get those on and she'll be set. And then Irene Huff from Irene Huff's Doll Space told Joni, yeah, I saw it too, the Marilyn Monroe. So I must have been on the right track. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Oh, wait, I was going to show the back of her little outfit. I put a snap in. I don't know. I think I could have used Velcro, but I put a snap in. This is just a gathered skirt with a ruffle on the bottom. But I do love that itty bitty heart fabric.
That's cute.